Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to get a quick in-depth review about this money transfer management platform, which is Rewire Money Transfer. So to get started, Rewire is a money transfer service designed mainly for expats, offering features like a free UK IBAN account, a prepaid MasterCard, and international transfer with a relatively low fee. It's user-friendly, supports multiple currency, and provide added convenience for people sending money home. For those who want a simple all-in-one service with a transparent pricing, Rewire is a practical option. So on the downside, customer reviews shows mixed experience. While many users praise its speed and ease of use, other reports delay, poor customer support, and issues with account verification. This makes the service less consistent compared to bigger names like Wise or Remitly. Overall, Rewire is good if you want a straightforward way to manage money abroad, but for reliability and strong customer support, more established provider may be better for you and your business and your money management as well. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.